If you want to change the language in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save your new language settings so your account is easier to use. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you prefer Lucidchart in another language or if you're working with a team in different regions. If this tutorial helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Lucidchart account. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Lucidchart keeps your account-related options. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. Account Settings is the main place where you can manage things like your profile, password, notifications, and language preferences. After that, you'll be taken to your Account Settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, click User Settings. This section contains the personal preferences for your Lucidchart experience. Once you're inside User Settings, scroll down until you find the Language Settings section. If you don't see it right away, take your time and look carefully, because this is where the Display Language option is located. Now, under Language Settings, click the Display Language drop-down menu. A list of available languages will appear. Choose the language you want Lucidchart to use for the interface. This is the language that will affect menus, labels, and other on-screen text, so make sure you pick the one that feels most comfortable for you. After selecting your preferred language, look in the upper right corner and click Save Changes. This step is important because your new language setting won't be applied until you save it. Once you've saved the changes, Lucidchart may update right away. If you don't see the language change immediately, just refresh the page. That usually forces the update to show up properly. In some cases, logging out and back in can also help, but most of the time, a simple refresh is enough. And that's it. You've now changed the language in Lucidchart. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can work in the language that suits you best. If this video helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.